You have heard it said that the eyes are the windows to your soul, but did you know that your lips are an equally important part of your sensual nature as a woman? Well, the ultra-intensive lip plumper is formulated with salmon roe DNA that is not just an edible formula, but also has proven effects in terms of being able to stimulate collagen production and anti-age the delicate lip area. That is very important because discoloration, fine lines, and wrinkles on the lips overall can reduce the attractiveness of your lips and also lip volume. I personally do not administer lip fillers because I feel that the outcome can sometimes be unnatural and it has to be done fairly frequently. So, a daily treatment, even as part of your lip filler routine, is going to help in terms of the health of the delicate lip area. But more importantly, you want to reduce discoloration due to oxidative stress caused by UV exposure, and all that cannot be achieved with injectables. The key to that is the application of antioxidants on your lips. For example, grapeseed oil is an effective antioxidant when used in a lip formula. The ultra-intensive lip plumper has great lip plumping effects. It is visible immediately after you apply it.